Hi, in this course, you learn everything you need to know about web design, creating a website from scratch to finish. And now we have new trends that are coming into play to make web design and development easy. This course actually is going to take us through the design process and the development process by using mostly the content management system approach. We have CMS, which is the content management systems, such as WordPress, Webflow. These are all ways you can create a website without doing much coding. And this course is actually going to take you through that. We will look at the planning stage, the strategy stage, and also the structuring aspect of web design. And our platforms that we are going to use in creating this web will actually be Figma for design, and also WordPress, which we have a page builder called Divi Page Builder for the development. This actually gives an approach where you don't have to do much coding by using Dreamweaver. By the end, we will have a standing website, a fully functioning website that you could host. In creating a website, we consider three factors. We have to do research, and that's actually the planning of it. We have to do the strategy to understand actually what you want to execute, and also we have to do the structure. In creating the website, first of all, we have to get a brief to understand the website that we want to create. And we have a friend who actually wants to create a website for an event organizing platform, and there's a particular event called the Asanka Party. It brings on board music and food. So this is what we have as a brief. So in understanding the web processes, we also, since we are within an educational institution and we want to understand actually what we want to do, there is a course outline that actually gives an insight on what actually web design and development is done in UEW, the University of Education, Winneba. Every student who enrolls in graphic design at the University of Education, Winneba, has to go through a course called Web Design and Development. But this course actually gives an insight where you can also do web design and development without going through that stress. So at the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own website and it can be part of your portfolio. Let me not forget introducing myself. I'm Kwabnampo Fajimfra. I have 8 years experience in design and still continuing. The interesting thing about web design is that it's a great vocation. It involves creativity, it involves technicalities, and also the most important thing, collaboration. You knowing clients, trying to understand their businesses, and making inputs to solve their problems. So this is actually a good platform or a good vocation to enroll yourself. So please have fun, enjoy the process. Enough of the theory, let's begin.